Hey guys, Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden, coming at you with a real quick update video. I did a live stream just a few seconds ago, but I'm going to make this video to have uploaded on our channel for you all about what we got from Steins Garden and Gifts. What we got here is a peace lily. Many of you may be familiar with it. This is a great indoor plant where you have low light conditions. It'll grow just about anywhere. But you want to keep the moisture levels pretty high in this. It requires high levels of moisture in the soil. Low light is fine and you should do good. One of the reasons why I got this plant here is because my grandmother always had one of these when we were growing up as kids. And it was also the very first plant that I ever propagated. So I had looked up a few videos online and on how to grow and how to propagate and how to clone plants. And after that, I went up to my grandma and I said, "Grandma, can I cut your plant up? I'm going to propagate it." Well, sure enough, she was an angel and let me propagate that peace lily. And there you had it. It was the very first plant that I had ever propagated or cloned. So let's take a look at the tag here real quick for you guys if you're looking for it. It's peace lily. How to grow, low light, very moist soil, average home temperature. So that's it. The plant itself was 24 bucks. The pot was around $32, and then a little bit of soil in there, so you got about 50 bucks. And we'll have a nice, beautiful plant to grow here for many, many years to come. Before I leave today, I want to let y'all know that we're going to be going to a place called Weeds in Cedarburg. They have all sorts of succulent and fairy garden stuff that we'll be getting, and we'll be going there later today, so stay tuned for that video. And then we'll also at some point here be building a little succulent shelf over here, as well as doing some work over on this side of the house. We'll be building a couple of shelves, maybe getting some baskets over here. So lots of stuff going on as usual around the house, trying to get lots of plants in here. So stay tuned. We're gonna have lots of different videos coming up. I might make a care video on this, but it's fairly simple and doesn't take a whole lot. So whether or not that's necessary, I'm not sure, but since I have it, I might just do it anyways. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is Ripley Sartain with Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.